This is the hub motor you received. What you get when you open the package is the complete kit on the table. Take out the controller and connect it to the hub. Connect the battery. Connect the 1T4 cable. Connect the display and check if it can power on normally. Turn on the boost mode to see if the motor operates properly. Connect the throttle to check if it works. Connect the brake sensor wire and test if its function works as it should. When the magnet is close to the sensor, the power is turned on. When the magnet is away from the sensor, the power is turned off. The other one is the same. On the other side, if you are using a brake lever, it also needs to be connected and tested. Power off when brake is pressed. Connect the headlight and tail light. Red is the headlight, black is the tail light, and check if they function normally. Connect the speed sensor and test if it works properly. All clear, congratulations on completing the self-quality check. Now you can install your kit on the bike.